Hey, assalamualaikum everybody, it's Jenna G, that's me, the hijabi from TNT. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be having some fun with soya chunks again. You can check out my previous video I did with curry soya chunks and potato. Today we're going to be doing pepper soya chunks, like pepper shrimp, pepper chicken. We're going to be doing pepper soya chunks today. Now today's episode is another extra special one. All the items that I'm going to be using in this recipe can be found at XTRA Foods right here in Trinidad, so be sure to check them out. They've got various specials going on each month, each week, so be sure to check them out and don't miss out. For today's video, we're going to be using this soya chunk. Right now it's on special at XTRA Foods, and I have it soaking for a little while in some water. I've got some sliced carrots, some green peppers, some hot pepper, pimento, grated garlic, and onions. Now last time I made a pepper shrimp, husband said it was not hot enough, so today for the pepper soya we're going in with some extra hot raw peppers, and we're going to add some cayenne only if it is not hot enough. We're going to be using some soy sauce, some ketchup, some Chinese seasoning, and some garlic powder as well. So with soya chunks, you're going to have to soak it for a little while, and then what you're going to be doing is squeezing out as much water as possible from it, and you're going to set it aside, and that is how we're going to be using it. So we've got our oil heating in our pot. I'm going to be throwing in my hot pepper, pimento, garlic, onion. The heat is on low, medium. I'm adding just a little water just for it not to stick or burn. Now to this I'm adding some ketchup. Followed by water. I'm going to add my soya chunks. I'm throwing in my carrots and my sweet peppers. I'm adding some soy sauce as well as some sesame oil. Stir this around. Adding some more water to it. Now I'm going to add my Chinese seasoning and garlic powder. And just to thicken it up a little bit, we're adding some cornstarch. So now we're just going to cover this down and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Should be fine. And that's about it for our pepper soya chunks today, guys. It's a pretty simple recipe to dish to put together, and soya is not a hard thing to work with. And just a few minutes later, guys, we have our delicious steaming hot pepper soya chunks. It's a great vegetarian dish for you to try out, and it's delicious, spicy but delicious. And just like that, we've got our pepper soya chunks completed. I took a little taste of it and it is peppery, so I did not need to add any extra cayenne pepper to it. It smells wonderful. It's piping hot right now, but it looks pretty good. So soya is something that is not too hard to work with. Just remember the basic things. Soak it a little while. Some people boil it before. When you soak it, squeeze out as much water as possible before actually cooking it, and that's a proper way to go about with the soya chunks. Try it out. You can curry it, stew it, anything you want. It's actually not too bad. It's pretty good actually once you cook it properly. But thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Be sure to share it with all your friends and your family. Try this recipe. Diwali is just around the corner. For anybody who's fasting, staying away from meat, this is the perfect dish for you to try at home. Now don't forget, all the items that are used in this video can be purchased at XTRA Foods right here in Trinidad. Be sure to check them out. They've got various specials going on at different times of the month. They've got weekly specials, in-store specials. Don't miss out, check them out. So thank you as always for watching. Do look out for more videos to come.